All right, George from Formax, the boss man's here. He sells these and he's going to have a go himself. All right, George?
Okay, so this is my first go of this model. So well, let's have a go.
He's going to find it's not even trimmed out.
Ah, here we go.
So he didn't hang around, he put the power in straight away.
Yeah, she's got enough power to easily get off the ground.
Yeah, and go vertical.
And go vertical like that. And see the wind push us.
So you need a 4-cell 2200 to 3000, I'd say, to fly this.
Rolls nicely with just a tab of down in between the rolls. Just doing some basic aeros. Just coming into wind. This is without flaps, so she behaves very slowly, even without flaps.
Even into flap, yeah? Into wind, yeah.
Into wind. And a stall turn. Oh, no. That was a bad... Woohoo! Well, try that one again.
It's all right. You know, this is what aerobatics is about. You're not always going to get it right first time. He's going to try again.
No, and that's me really, I think.
I think give it a keep the power on while you add in that first bit of rudder.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah. I always teach people to do, and I didn't do it myself. Don't ask me to do a full rolling circuit, I can't do it.
No, I tend to start off okay, but then it goes over my head and I get totally disorientated.
Let's do a low, slow pass. Very predictable model actually, very easy to fly. I quite like it. In fact, actually I'd say I'd really like it.
It's growing on you.
It looks good as well.
It does, yeah.
And I do love bush wheels.
Yeah, you could fly this off quite rough ground with those big inflatable wheels.
That's much better. And a big loop.
So this is a 4S2700 pack, and I've had a go. I was flying 5 or 6 minutes, and George has been flying several minutes, so it's not hungry on use of the batteries that you put in it.
You may have noticed my flying style is a bit different from Dom's.
We all have our different styles.
Alright, we got partial flaps.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Let's see what
You'll probably fly backwards.
It is a very windy day here, so...
Windy but warm, I don't mind that.
That's pretty still. That's not going anywhere. That's just hanging. And get rid of flaps. Right, let's come in for a landing then. Landing without flaps.
It's impossible. This is the one thing I hate about this model. It always bounces on landing.
I've got another model with big bouncy airfield wheels.
It always does that.
That's impossible to land without bouncing.
It's no bad thing. It's absorbing any slight shock landing. There you go, and if you hold down this switch at the back, it will do reverse.
Okay.
You have to hold it down.
Which is great when a model won't taxi because of the wind, you can just reverse it in.
There you go.
That's a good function, I like that.
You like that, George?
That's a cool function, yep. No, it's a very nice model. Yeah, it's good size, so it's easily to be seen in the air. It's pretty viceless. Does everything you want, really. So,
and it's for sale on George's website at 4-max.co.uk, but I'll put the link in the video description and pinned comment. George, you don't just do models, you do batteries and all types of stuff for electric flight, don't you?
Absolutely everything for electric flight. Batteries, motors, speed controllers, propellers, servos. We do a lot of servos, glues, covering material, everything you need really, including all the bits and pieces, hinges, horns, yeah, all those sorts of bits really. Have a look. There's over 1,000 items listed, so yeah, browse, have a browse.
I'm glad you're local, George.
Yes.
I just pop in whenever I need something. Ideal.
And I live only 5 minutes from the field as well.
You do, yeah. Very sensible to have your RC business close to the Model Flying Club. Right, thanks very much. We'll see you next time. Cheers, George.
Thanks. Here we go for a quick takeoff.
Yeah, 1 to 2 feet.
That's without flaps.
That's without flaps. It might not actually roll if you did it with flaps. It might just take off like a heli.
This is half flaps.
Nearly went into a loop.
Didn't seem to improve actually.
No, I think it was about the same. Isn't it fun playing with the wind?
It's good.
I like windy days.
I do like windy days.
Yeah.
Especially if it's smooth wind. If it's bumpy wind, not so fun.
No, and it's not so bad.
Today
It's a nice.
pretty smooth.
Yeah.